Okay, hello everyone, this is Vimal Upadhyay. In this video, we are going to continue our discussion of electricity. So the topic that we are going to discuss is heating effect of electricity. What is heating effect of electricity? We know that in conductor, electron flows right. During this flow of electron, it meets some positive charges and they collide with each other. During that collision a heat is generated and this effect is known as heating effect of electricity. In 1841 a scientist named Joule provided some law to guide us how this heat generated and works. He stated that heat generation is directly proportional to the square of the electric current, directly proportional to the resistance, and directly proportional to the time taken. When we combine them, it becomes H is directly proportional to I square RT. H directly proportional to I square RT. When you remove this proportionality symbol, a constant will add. Here that constant is J, and J is called Joule's mechanical equivalent and whose value is 4.18 per calorie. Let's move to the next topic. So our next topic is electric energy. Our next topic is electric energy. The fact that each conductor offers some resistance. Each conductor offers some resistance. For electron to pass this resistance, it has to do some work. During that work, some energy is generated, and that energy is called electrical energy. It is represented by W it is found by W is equals to QV and represented by W. W is the electrical energy generated, Q is the charge flowing, and V is the potential difference or volt. We know that Q is equals to IT, Q is equals to I into T, and therefore V will be V into I into T because we have put the value of IT, and also know that by Ohm's law V is equals to IR. So if we put this value of V is equals to IR, you will get V is equals to I square RT. W is equals to I square RT. This is the final form to find electrical energy. Energy's unit we know that joule, but the commercial unit of electrical energy is kilowatt per hour. Now relation between joule and the kilowatt per hour. 1 kilowatt per hour is equal to 3.3 into 10 to the power 6 joule. Let's discuss the next topic. The next topic is electric power. So in general, power is the rate of doing of work, that is rate at which energy is consumed. So here electric power will be rate at which electrical energy is dissipated or consumed. The power is given by P is equals to W by T. We know that W is equals to what? I square RT, na? W is equal to I square R T by T. So T and T cancel. So power is equal to I square R. Unit of power is watt. Unit of electric power is watt. That is 1 watt is the rate of working of 1 joule per second. 1 kilowatt is equals to 1000 watt, and one more unit of power is there, horsepower, and 1 horsepower is equal to 746 watt. Now we will discuss the formula for finding power. Power is equals to work done by time, right? So we can say here power is equals to work done by time. W is work is equal to V into IT. So V into I T by T. So T and T cancel. So V into I. This is one more formula for calculating power. E by I is equals to R. We can put that value also. So we can get P is equals to I square R. We can find also in terms of V and R. P is equals to V into I. So I is equals to V by R. So P is equal to V square by R. This is one more formula for finding power. Now, power of voltage rating or electrical appliances. You often heard in while buying an electric bulb, you often heard this term, 220 volt, 100 watt, 100 watt. It means that electrical and appliances, whatever the electrical appliances you are having, can connect it to the volt a potential difference of 220 volt and consume the power of 100 watt. Here you can see here now 220 volt means the bulb is to be used on the voltage of 220 volt, and 100 watt means it has a power consumption of 100 watt or 100 joules per second. The application of the heating effect of electric current. We use daily often appliances like electric heater, electric iron are the few application of the heating effect of electric current. Now the next topic is electric fuse. So let me discuss about the what is a fuse. Fuse is a device, miniature device that protects the appliances, home appliances of our home. How it protects? It is made up of very thin filament. It is made up of very thin filament and very low melting point. Very low melting point. Whenever a flow of electrons suddenly increases, now let's see the more. Suppose at 5 ampere of current suddenly increases, but this appliances can hold for 1 ampere of current. So what it will do, it will just break or melt and break the circuit and protect that appliances. So what is the work of electric fuse? It protects, protects the home appliances by breaking the circuit. I hope this is clear. So that's it for this. We will continue our discussion in our next video. If you have any question, then ask me in the comment section.